Hi guys, good morning. So in the previous videos already I have explained you about the zeros of the polynomial, about all details of the polynomials. If till yet you have not watched that video, first watch it before going to solve the exercise. So zeros of the polynomial and the relationship between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial has detailed been explained in that conceptual part. So move on to the exercise 2.2. Here we will find out the zeros of the polynomial as well as we will find out the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So now see, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials, and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Quadratic, degree 2, quadratic polynomial. So degree 2, you know it. Quadratic polynomial means it has degree 2 and general form x square plus bx plus c a comma a is not equal to 0. A comma b comma c belongs to set of real numbers. These things you know it. So now here if we will write this x square, I can write this is equal to x square plus minus 2x plus minus 8. Here also in this form I can write. To just tally with x square plus bx plus c, plus sign is given, so minus I have given. So here a is equal to here 1, comma b is equal to here how much? Minus 2 and c is equal to here minus 8. So you got a this one, b is this one and c is this one. What is a? A is your coefficient of x square, b coefficient of x, and c is your constant term. So now these things already we know. Again I am recalling you before going to solve the numericals in this exercise. So now x square minus 2x minus 8, x square minus 2x minus 8. Now I will factorize it. How to factorize? 8 4 2 is 8, you know. So that is equal to x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. That is equal to x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4. That is equal to x minus 4 into x plus 2. So if we will equate it to 0, then zeros of the polynomial, x minus 4 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 4, and x plus 2 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to minus 2. Hence two zeros are 4 and minus 2. 4 and minus 2. So 4 and minus 2, we have obtained two zeros in this quadratic polynomial. Now we will verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. What to verify? Sum of zeros. So now find out sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to 4 plus minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. You know, sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. You know it. Minus b by a. So is equal to minus of minus 2 by a is 1. So that is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Here we got 2. Here we got 2. Verified. that sum of zeros. If we find out the product of zeros, product of zeros is equal to 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Now product of zeros is equal to, according to the formula, C by A. What is C here? Minus 8 is equal to minus 8 by A 1 is equal to minus 8. We are getting same value, here minus 8, here minus 8, which is verified. Now you know what is C, what is A, what is B. Already I have written. A coefficient of x square, B coefficient of x, and C is constant term. Now we will move on to bit 2. Now move on to bit double I. Given 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So here A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 4, and C is equal to 1 plus 1. Got it? Now we'll factorize it. 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 4s square 4 minus 2s plus 1. 2 to the 4 minus minus plus, so that is equal to 2s common, 2s minus 1 minus 1, 2s minus 1. So that is equal to 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1. So therefore the zeros of the polynomial are what? 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. With equating to 0, 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So that implies s is equal to 1 by 2 or s is equal to 1 by 2. So zeros are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 equal zeros. Now sum of zeros is equal to what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now see our sum of zeros, let alpha beta, if you will take alpha plus beta, sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus of minus 4 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So both cases we are getting the same result, which verified. Now product of zeros is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now here product of zeros is equal to C by A is equal to C, value of C is 1 by value of A 4, 1 by 4. Here also we are getting 1 by 4, here also we are getting 1 by 4. Product of zeros also we write alpha beta in general form. If alpha and beta are two zeros of the polynomial, we are writing alpha beta, alpha plus beta. So which verified that formula. What? Sum of zeros can be obtained by using minus b by a, and product of zeros can be obtained by using c by a, where a, b, c. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So now we'll move to bit triple I. Now move on to bit triple I. What is given? 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So it is not given in the standard form. Not present in standard form. So we can write that is equal to 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Standard form, x square plus bx plus c is the standard form. Now here a is equal to 6, a 6, B is equal to minus 7, B minus 7, and C is equal to minus 3. So I have written A, B, C. What? A coefficient of x square, B coefficient of xc, constant term. C is the constant term. So now we'll factorize this. 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 6 3s are 18, 2 9, yes, minus, so plus 2 minus 9, 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3, so that is equal to 3x common, 2x minus 3 plus 1, 2x minus 3, that is equal to 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1. So zeros are what? 3 by 2 and 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. How we got it? So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies 2x is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 3 by 2. Another one is given what? 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, equated to 0. 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. We got the zeros. Now, sum of zeros. Now see. Sum of zeros. 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. LCM 6. 3 to the 6. Now 3 3s are 9. Now 3 2 minus 2 is equal to 7 by 6. 7 by 6. Now we know sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square is equal to minus b is how much? Minus of minus 7 by a is your 6 is equal to 7 by 6. Verified. Now your product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 cancelled is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here we are getting product of zeros. Now product of zeros is equal to c by a, constant term by a is your coefficient of x square. Constant term is how much? C is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by a is how much? 6. Now cancelling 1, 2, we are getting minus 1 by 2. We are getting same result here by adding the actual zeros. What we are getting by putting the formula, also same result we are getting, which makes verified the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, now we move into bit 4.